What is melody? Using the terminology from previous videos, melody is a musically satisfying sequence of pitches performed in rhythm. But what does it mean to be musically satisfying? Well, if I perform a series of random pitches using random rhythmic values, you're not likely to describe it as a melody. Imagine a jigsaw puzzle. Put together, it's one puzzle with one image. If you break it apart, you can't see the puzzle anymore. You only see its small parts. Likewise, if a sequence of notes is organized in a way that you hear it as one musical thing, it's a melody. A melody really is a single linear musical unit made of numerous pitches and rhythms. A lot of pieces coming together to make one whole, like pieces in a jigsaw puzzle. What is harmony? In a previous video, we learned the definition of pitch, the frequency of a sound wave. In music, when we perform multiple pitches simultaneously, we create harmony. Really, it's that simple. If you play more than two pitches at the same time, you've performed a chord, or harmony. The trick is getting your harmony to sound the way you want it to, for it to provide the color that you're looking for, and for it to function in a way that serves your musical goals. Often, harmony accompanies a melody. When you harmonize a melody, the harmony serves the melody. If there's a text, for example, like the lyrics to a song, the harmony works to reinforce the meaning of the words. In the example we're listening to now, Lonely, we hear the use of minor and major triads in an unresolved minor key. If you don't understand what minor and major means, that's okay. We'll cover that in later videos. But for now, just try to remember how the harmonies make you feel. What is a musical key? Or what is tonality? Imagine a baseball field. When a batter hits the ball, they travel around the bases, with the goal of returning to home base. Tonality is a system of writing music in which one pitch, known as the tonic, is the center point, or home base, of a musical key. In a previous video, I mentioned B-flat major. Well, the pitch B-flat is the tonic of that key. Just listen to the following melody. If I stop on this pitch, the melody doesn't feel complete. But if I allow the melody to arrive on the tonic pitch, it feels like it's complete or resolved. This is tonality, music written around a central pitch or tonic, like a runner around the bases on a baseball diamond. What is musical meter? Meter is a system of organizing time in music, found in the regularly recurring stressed and unstressed pulses. Imagine you're walking down the street. The repeating pattern of your footsteps is the simplest form of meter. Left, right, left, right. Whether or not you hear the footsteps doesn't matter. You can feel them or see them, and a pattern emerges. 1, 2, 1, 2. Imagine if you had 3 legs. Well, the pattern might then be left, mid, right. Or 1, 2, 3. You could have a pattern with 4 pulses, or 5, or 6, or 7, or 8, or 9, or 10, or 11, or 12. At some point, though, the value of the system breaks down, and we instinctively simplify the meter to its lowest common denominator, usually 2, 3, or 4. There are plenty of examples in 5, 6, 7, and even 1, but any more than 7, and it gets pretty hard to keep track. In Western music, each group of repeating pulses is delineated by a bar line.